Hey there, YouTube. Another Taurus High Point production coming at you. My name's Ray Shepard. I went out and got myself a new Black Powder Revolver. Got to do a couple of things to it first. I figured I'd bring you along for the informative on it. Now, if you're buying in a big box store, and see if they'll let you take the gun apart right there at the counter and put it back together. A lot of my problems with the Pieta reproductions come from the arbor, to the barrel fit. A lot of them are just real tight and don't work out. The tooling is real bad in those holes for some reason. Everything else for me is fine. I did replace that flat spring they put in there. I had a Track of the Wolf piano wire spring from the Birdie regulator. You buy those and you straighten out the leg. I got a video up on that already. Feel free to browse. Then you want to measure the mouth of your chamber as well as inside the chamber and see what you get. I am down in there. Down in the mouth, I'm getting .44 caliber black powder. That's all the way down in. Let me recheck and open. I take that back. I'm getting exactly 44.44. Now I want to come to the top of the mouth on that same cylinder at the very top. Black Powder Guide has an informative video on this. Check his video out. Want to make sure you measure it at the mouth as well as down below. Well, working a little better for me that way. There's .44. I'm getting .44 at the mouth as well. Now, is that the same on all six? You have to check all six the same way. Drop the caliper down in. Make sure you're zeroed. I mean .44 there also. Again, check the top. Close them up. Check, put them at the top of the mouth. Make sure you're zeroed. getting 4-4 there also. Now I'm going to continue doing this all the way around. Y'all don't need to watch me do all the remaining 4 cylinders, double checking the size. Just showing you how it's done. I'll give you one more shot. And then this one. Let's do this one toward me. One more. Zeroed. Got 0.44 down in also. Checking the mouth of it. You want to check the mouth. You got 4-4 there again. The reason you want to check the mouth as well as the inner chamber. Black Powder Guide has an awesome video up on that. You need to check his video out on it. It's entitled Shave a Ring of Lead, they said. He and Toon had to go back in and redo some work. And taking a stone and opening the cylinders. That became his garbage gun. It was a Pieta Army, I believe. Whatever floats his boat. I've had both Pieta and Umberti. To give them both a fair shake. They're a decent firearm, but they both need work. You find out how much work you need by doing what I'm doing now. This has been a Taurus High Point production. Remember, I choose, therefore I am responsible.